Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Gemstones and Gemology. My name is Kiran Krishna. I am a professional gemologist. Here we are going to discuss about Navaratna stones. Navaratnas are set of 9 precious stones. The classification of gemstones as Navaratna is mainly seen in India. Other than India, in some Asian countries also, this classification we can find. According to Indian culture and mythology, each stones representing 9 different planets: diamond, ruby, emerald, yellow sapphire, blue sapphire, chrysoberyl calcite, hessonite garnet, pearl, and coral are the 9 precious stones. Diamond is the expensive gemstone among the Navaratnas. It is mainly seen in colorless yellow, brown, pink, green, red, purple, orange colors, etc. Diamond is composed of carbon. It is the purest form of carbon. When sometimes trace amount of nitrogen and boron present in the crystal lattice, at that time it will show yellow and brown colors. Diamond is the most harder mineral ever found. Because of its high hardness and refractive index, it shows maximum brilliance and luster. That is why it will get maximum price in the market. The next stone is ruby. It is red in color. It is included in the corundum species. Sometimes hues of purple, brown, and pink come along with this red color. Aluminium oxide with trace amount of chromium is the main chemical content of ruby. The main countries producing rubies are Burma, Thailand, India, Sri Lanka, Mozambique, Afghanistan, etc. Its Mohs hardness is 9. The next stone is blue sapphire. It is also included in the corundum species and the same hardness with ruby and same chemical and optical properties like ruby. The color causing element is only varying in this gemstone. The next stone is yellow sapphire. Yellow sapphire is yellow in color. It is also included in the corundum species. It is also having 9 hardness and the same chemical, physical, and optical properties as like ruby and blue sapphire. Its color causing element is titanium and iron. The next stone, that is emerald. Emerald stone included in the beryl species. Emerald is green in color and its chemical content is beryllium aluminum silicate. When trace amount of chromium present in the crystal lattice, it will show green color. Emerald is little bit softer than ruby and sapphire. Its hardness is around 7.5. Emerald is mainly mined from Colombia, Zambia, India, Zimbabwe, Russia, Pakistan, Madagascar, etc. Next we are going into the stone chrysoberyl calcite. Chrysoberyl calcite stone included in the family chrysoberyl. Its chemical constituent is beryllium aluminum oxide and it has the hardness around 8.5. As the name indicates, this stone very much similar to the eye of a cat. A band of light moving across the surface of this gemstone when it is cut and polished in cabochon style. This effect is known as Chattoyancy effect or Cat's-eye effect. This effect is due to the presence of some parallel inclusions present inside the stone like fibers, needles, etc. Cat's eye is generally seen in yellow, yellowish green, green, honey, brownish yellow, brownish green, grayish green colors. The next stone is hessonite garnet. It is brownish yellow or honey in color. The main chemical content is calcium aluminum silicate. Its hardness around 6.5 to 7. Melted crystals are the main inclusions found in the hessonite garnet variety. The next two stones, pearl and coral. These two stones having an important difference apart from these 7 stones we have already discussed. That is, these two stones are included in the organic varieties. Organic variety means the stones produced by the activities of certain organisms. Pearl and coral are formed in the water bodies like ocean, river, ponds, lakes, etc. First, we are going to discuss about coral. Coral is the gemstone found in the ocean basins. It is created by a special marine invertebrate organisms known as Corallium rubrum. These organisms are living together as a colony. The calcium carbonate secretions and its skeletal bodies deposited in a tree-like format and like a branch of trees in the ocean basins. These rough coral trees separated from the coral reefs and cut and polished in a shiny way. So calcium carbonate is the main chemical content in coral. Coral is mainly seen in red, orange red, pink and white color. Its hardness is around 3 to 3.5. Next we are going to discuss about the gemstone, pearl. Pearl is a beautiful gemstone found in oysters. It means some bivalvia organisms with shells. When some impurities or small organisms attacks the oyster, it will secrete special type of calcium carbonate material to cover up these impurities and protect their body. These calcium carbonate secretions are in a layered format, and after some days or months it will form a beautiful pearl inside the organism. Pearls are mainly seen in oceanic conditions and freshwater conditions like river, ponds and lake. The main colors of pearls are white, yellow, golden, silver, grey, cream, pink, etc. Pearls are nowadays created by humans by culturing these mollusks in a certain environment and creating beautiful pearls inside the organisms. This process is known as pearl culturing. So we discussed all 9 stones in the Navaratna category. I think you may get some basic idea of Navaratna stones. We will discuss in detail about these stones in upcoming videos. Up to that, stay tuned. Thank you.